Wow, drinking from a big girl cup. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah. Here. Here, you can hold it. You can hold it. He's probably blowing up with water. Good girl. We will put some milk in it for dinner. We will put some milk in it. Look at you. Wow! Yay! Go Maggie! Drink from Big Girl Cup. Go Maggie, go!